The Oppo Reno 12 Pro is a sleek and powerful smartphone that boasts a range of impressive features. Oppo Reno 12 Pro boasts a 6.7-inch OLED display that provides a vibrant and sharp visual experience with a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels. It supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, which ensures smooth scrolling and a responsive touch experience. The display is also the first in the series to feature quad curved edges, giving it a sleek and modern look. Additionally, the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, enhancing its durability against scratches and minor impacts. The device's display is designed to be functional even when wet, which, along with the IP65 water resistance rating, makes it more resilient to everyday challenges. These features combine to make the Oppo Reno 12 Pro's display not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical for daily use. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro features an impressive camera system designed to cater to both photography enthusiasts and casual users alike. Here are the details of its camera setup. Main camera. A 50-megapixels primary sensor with a Sony IMX890 image sensor. This sensor size is 1/1.56, with 1.0 micrometers pixels, offering high-resolution images with excellent detail and low-light performance. Telephoto camera. A 50-megapixels 2x telephoto module allows for high-quality zoomed-in shots without losing clarity. Ultra-wide camera. An 8-megapixels ultra-wide lens provides a broader field of view, perfect for capturing landscapes and large group photos. Front camera. A 50-megapixels front-facing camera for selfies and video calls, ensuring sharp and vibrant self-portraits. In addition to the hardware, the Oppo Reno 12 Pro's camera system is enhanced with AI capabilities. These include features like blink correction, background replacement, and intrusion removal, which use machine learning to improve the quality of the photos automatically. It is powered by Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset. It comes with two RAM options, 12GB and 16GB, which are paired with LPDDR5X technology for high-speed data processing. For storage, the device is available in two configurations, 256GB and 512GB of UFS 3.1 internal storage, ensuring quick app launches and file transfers. The smartphone is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 80W fast charging. This powerful battery setup can charge the device to 55% in just 20 minutes, and it takes approximately 43 minutes to fully charge the device. Additionally, Oppo claims that the phone will retain 95% of its original battery capacity after 1000 charge cycles, highlighting the battery's longevity. These features make the Oppo Reno 12 Pro a reliable choice for users who need a device that can keep up with their busy lifestyle and frequent usage. The device features a quad-curved display with Gorilla Glass protection on the front, enhancing its resistance to scratches and minor impacts. The phone's mid-frame is made from die-cast aluminum alloy, which is known for its ability to withstand compression and reduce damage from drops. It also boasts an IP65 water resistance rating, ensuring the phone can handle splashes and rain. Design. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro is both thinner and lighter than its predecessor, measuring 7.55mm in thickness and weighing 183 grams. Despite its ruggedness, the phone has managed to reduce bulk, offering a sleek and comfortable hold. The phone includes several AI-enhanced camera capabilities, such as the ability to correct photos if someone blinked, remove unwanted people who walked into the frame, and assist in replacing the background. These smart features are part of Oppo's commitment to integrating AI into its devices, making photography more intuitive and user-friendly.